Hello everyone, this is Krishna from Team AetherOps. Now I'm here to demonstrate the dashboard of Bankwise. As you can see now, it's currently deploying render, and you can see this is the main page of the dashboard, where you can see the overview of all the databases content here. Then the total reserve amount in the bank, and then the active records and available areas, all these things. And it has actually it features the interactive dashboard here. This shows the trends and all kinds of activities that are happening in the database. And also, most importantly, it has two types of flows. Since currently it's using a JSON mode, and we can switch between the database hosted on the render on NeonDB, or you can use the static JSON, the mob data, which is always there in the application's data. So we can switch between this one. And now you can see it's attempting to refresh that data. And also, now we can see the data between the database and this one is slightly different because for local testing, I made some changes. But you can see now it's automatically switched between this meanwhile. And now you can see that there are around, there's also having a search feature for every type of data. It has a search feature. Now currently here you can search by account number or by the name. So I made the search for someone who's named Patel, font. Currently it's not there. But if you want to search someone around like boss someone, it will work. Also you can search between using the account number as well. Like this. And the account number will be useful in cases like this, where you can need those miss transactions. You just find someone with this ID, which is not which is quite useful in this scenarios because we need this account number to filter that the person's transactions or complaints on this page or whatever. And you can see it fetched all the complaints for this account number. And then it's you can also filter categories actually, like if it is FD and FP, and if you want card related, this person doesn't have any cards or something, but you can pretty much have it has this extensive filtering status. If this open for sure to certain, so this makes there's at least the ability to build the database effectively. So it's not it's not much of hassle now to go through all the records or use some other hacky ways to build the data. Now I can simply float it. And the latency is also very slow. I use the efficient search algorithm for this. Now I can load the results pretty quickly. And also like it also has some agents here, which you can see here. And you can search and can simply filter it by the status for available. And currently these are the available agents right now, and they're basically the ones that are busy and the ones that are on break or under training, who are off duty. Everything can filter and affect everything views. And same applies for all the other data as well, cards, affiliates, everything. So since it's having a search feature, now it makes it a fully functional dashboard. That's for viewing the data here and to test quickly. You can copy anything from here to test the actual in a application that I've made. And also it has the two types of views in general. I'll probably tell that. This is a tabular view. And also it has ways to dynamically view a combination of items like this, lists or anything like that. It can view it as well. It's I made it that logic dynamics, so it will be easier to work with. And also it has a JSON view for developers specifically. We can get an idea on how this data is structured with the JSON view. So essentially I added this one to make sure that we can always know what we are actually working with, not just the tabular view or anything like that. You can buy to copy the data here, or you can just for a look you can check here as well if you want to work with. And finally, with this one, the agents with the only tab which has a card view, a specialized view for this. And yes, and you can see that all the lists are rendered on automatically with a different component in Checkmate in JavaScript. And all this is highly by Serverless feature, but I made sure that the search is only focused on certain attributes here. For one case here in load, I either want to search by the loan ID or by the account ID, because that's the obvious thing I need to search. Or maybe I can filter it with types or statuses. Maybe I could add it like more filtering options for the data as well. It's not much of a thing, but for simplicity, I kept it like this. For FD dates also, you can see it can search by trigger days. So if you want to just if you want like 365 days, you can see these are the available FD dates for this tenure. So here the tenure is there. The search is focusing on a different attribute entirely. So that's the way I structured this dashboard. It has both offline and like a static, and then a dynamic synchronization capability, and it's also having the visuals and charts to engage with. And yeah, this is how the full design in the first place. And after it has future improvements, we can make it more to have code operations. Currently, it's only viewing the data. You can't enter any new ones as of now, because like since we neither have about mean reproducibility, I get it that way. You can just view the data that's already there, or you can since this data is all generated by Faker Python library, you can simply delete the original data cat. You can delete the data cat, and then you can pre-generate with an entirely new one if you want a fresh one. So that's it here. With this, I would like to end this video. Thank you.